The paint is kind of damaged. We just brought like a square vinyl, which is pretty close to the original paint, and we're gonna put that as a background, and then we'll add the second layer on top. We're gonna do a dry application. Temperature is kind of right now is a little bit chilly. It's not too cold or hot. Just in case, we want to do it dry. The thing about solids like that is that in the end you will see some bubbles, but that's fine. Once it gets really hot, they will disappear. I don't know how we're gonna do those letters. We gotta put some letters on that surface, but it's kind of high. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it with this right here with the ladders. They're kind of small. Okay, we got the first color. Now we're gonna put the whites, the logo and the letters and all that. You can barely see the difference between the one that the background that we added. It looks pretty close. We'll do the same thing. We're just gonna do dry application. Okay, the other side wasn't too bad, but this one you can see how damaged the paint is. And it also has some leftovers. I think it had like a decal previously. You can see it right here, and we're just gonna add that goof off. It'll come off with that. That's all we need. Okay, we finally got done. We added the background. I don't know if you can see the difference. I thought it was gonna be like a huge contrast. Like there's not really much difference. You can barely notice that it has like a background. Same color, pretty close. And look at the big letters we put on the sides. We managed to get on top. It wasn't that hard. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than it actually was. The paint is not in like the best conditions, so we had to use the blue tape. And this is the other side. You can barely see the difference right here. It's not really, I mean, I'm surprised how close the colors are to the original paint of the car.